Chirri and Chirra, The Rainy Day by Kaya Doi. One cloudy day, Chirri and Chirra decide to go out on their bicycles. Let's go for a ride before it rains, Chirri. Good idea, Chirra.
Dring, 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 dring.
It's already starting to rain.
Pedaling along, they discover a shop. What luck! The sign says it's only open on rainy days.
Cafe umbrella, open rainy days, closed sunny days.
Inside, the walls are covered with paintings. The frames all have different shapes and colors. It's with a picture of rain inside.
Sit anywhere you please. Oh wait, there are windows. Chirri orders the chrysanthemum tea with lemon marmalade, and Chirra orders the peppermint tea with green apple syrup. Their drinks come with bowls of frozen raindrop candy.
This must be a shop for watching the rain while drinking tea. They even sell rainy day items of all shapes and colors.
Chirri and Chirra find the raincoats that they like best.
When they leave the shop, the rain is falling even harder than before.
Dring, 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 dring. They pedal faster and faster. Meanwhile, the rain falls harder and harder.
Pedaling along, they start to feel lighter, as if they are floating.
When they look up at the sky, they don't see any rain. Has it really stopped? Oh wait, the rain hasn't stopped. It's falling from below. Dring, 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 dring. They ride their bicycles over the upside down rain.
What luck! A shop with a window on the second story.
Please come this way. Tick, tick. When they go inside, they see stamps in all colors and shapes. Chirri and Chirra buy the stamps that they like best. This way, please. Tick, tick. Down the stairs, they discover a happy scene in the upside down rain.
Dring, 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 dring. They start pedaling again.
What is everybody doing over there? Have they found something special? Look, gummy gumdrops dangling from the branches, ripe and sparkling.
Chirri and Chirra take one piece each and pop them in their mouth.
Chom chom chom, yum yum yum, yum yum, chom chom. Just then the sky gets brighter. The sun is breaking through the clouds.
The upside down rain has ended, but how will they ever get down?
Just then, Chirri and Chirra start feeling lighter, as if they're floating. The gummy gumdrops are glowing as big as balloons.
The others float with them too.
Gently,
Gently.
Ding, 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 ding. What a wonderful day in the rain. The end.